So I'm switching out this charcoal canister on this Chevy Impala. It has a 10 millimeter bolt right behind my flashlight. I can't here right there. And it has a wiring harness here. And there's a bracket that the canister is mounted on, then it's screwed to the wheel well there. And there's a long hose going all the way down, and it connects back up in there, it just slides out. So we're gonna unbolt it here. Get my light out the way. The 10 millimeter. That's my 10 millimeter bolt. Holding that back against the wheel well. Get that out. The rest of the tool, I have a charcoal canister from a 2017 Chevy Impala, and you want to see what's inside. We'll show you what's inside here. This is the bracket that I'm holding to the vehicle, and this is the wiring harness here. I just clipped it off instead of clipping it from the disconnect. It wouldn't move, so it's gonna clip the wire and reconnect it. But I tried to connect it here, it wouldn't budge. Pretty dusty. This is right next, almost right behind gas tank. Has a filter in it. So I'm just gonna dump this in some soapy water. Let everything dry out.